Hey there, wish you a very happy Diwali from GpnArts. I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful and simple paper diya. This diya you may use in your school project or to decor your house or decor your entrance. So without getting waste our time, let's move to our video. Before starting our video, there is one special note for you. If you want to see yourself on GpnArts, then make any craft from GpnArts and click a photo or make a small video with that craft and send it to me on this mail ID. I will definitely publish it in my upcoming next video. You need one brown paper, orange paper, circular object, scissor, pencil and glue. Take a brown paper. I have here one A4 size brown paper. Draw a circle. One paper give you two circles. Cut that circles. Now I have here 5 circles. Take the one circle, fold it in the middle, press it and again fold it in the middle. Now press it like that. Open that circle and stick that line with the glue. Now put glue on the corner like that and fold it. Do same with other circles. Now take one piece, put like that, opening part at the bottom side and stick all the pieces by applying glue only on the corner. Now take a piece of orange paper, draw flame shape and cut that shape. Now take the brown piece, apply glue on the corner and open the diya and stick first and last part of the paper. You will get the shape like diya. Now cut the flame shape at the bottom like this, so it will be fit on upside of the diya. Stick the flame shape on the diya with the help of glue. And here your diya is ready. Hey there, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming new videos, please subscribe GpnArts. Till then, bye.